Hey, hi, welcome back. So I just wanted to talk about the new tax benefits which have been implemented and how they support the real estate and especially the investment strategy. So just want to give a brief update about those. So since 2018, I've been using bonus depreciation to buy real estate and do accelerated depreciation on my properties for that year. Being a real estate professional, I've been able to take that advantage. But before being a real estate professional as well, when I was working full-time on W2 job, I was still able to take advantage of that because I had a real estate portfolio. So to explain it more a little bit, let's say 2020 or 2019, I have around 20 properties and I had a full-time W2 job. So to manage these properties, I was spending more than 1 hour of, the total amount of a W2 job in managing my real estate. So basically, let's say I'm spending 2000 hours to manage, my work in W2. I was spending 2001 hours just to make property management or, managing my own real estate portfolio and all that stuff, and I had a log for that. So basically, at that case, you become a real estate professional, even though you didn't have a real estate license. Now, what happened is 2018, we had this bill in which you can do an accelerated depreciation on your real estate properties. You buy a property, let's say $1 million, you can take 40% of the property on an average depreciation in the first year, so around 400K write-off from your W2 income. If you qualify having the real estate portfolio, having 1 hour more than your W2 managing your properties. So you need to have a real estate portfolio first. You cannot do it on one property, two property. So in my case, I have that portfolio. So I was able to do it. Now what has happened is 2018, this bill came into picture. Every year that percentage depreciation went down. This year, for example, it was like out of 100%, you can take 40%, and out of 40%, you can take only 20%. But with the new changes, with the new government, it has been escalated back to the 100% bonus depreciation. So basically, you can take 40% of your property value depreciated in first year itself. This is a huge boost. Basically, it gives an opportunity to investors who have been holding real estate portfolios or buy real estate to literally, you make $1 million, you buy $4 million of real estate, or even 3, you can depreciate 40%, which wipes out the entire 1 million you make in a year and you don't pay any taxes. There is a bunch of new changes which has come in, but this is the most important change. Reinstating back bonus depreciation for next 5 years is a game changer on real estate for investment strategy. So I just want to give you an update. If you have not gone through this more in detail, please reach out to me and I can more than happy to, give more updates on this. There is a bunch of things which the new bill has done, especially for if you are a developer, if you are a low income developments doing, they have increased the number of percentage of investment you can do, the tax benefits you can do and all that stuff. That is more in detail, but for somebody who's doing commercial investment or, building and all that stuff. But if you're a general buyer, and you are savvy enough to build a real estate portfolio over the time, you are in a situation where you can use the bonus depreciation to save a lot on taxes. Everybody should know it. I went to a conference last year. There were 1,000 realtors. The question was asked about this. Not even a single one knew about this. This is a very important thing. Please reach back to me offline and more than happy to help, to set up your portfolio and help you in this field. Thank you.